because you heard that yesterday. I had the headline how Elizabeth Warren is pushing. She sent a letter to SEC demanding that they investigate Elon Musk because she thinks that apparently he can't own Twitter and Tesla, and she worries about Tesla's shareholders. She didn't worry when he owned, she didn't do any of this with Neuralink or the Boring Company. None of, or the other company that he, or the other company that he owned, or the other one. No, only Twitter. Only Twitter. She was only upset with that. So now, in a fun turn of events, Musk is taking on Warren. He's going to force her to disclose her contacts with the FTC and SEC. Well, it's going to be a fight. He turned the tables on her because he's telling her she has to disclose her details about her discussions with SEC to push them into demanding, to try to push them into demanding an investigation of Musk and carrying that out. Lawyers for Twitter notified a federal court Thursday that they're subpoenaing her. They sent her a subpoena. Turn over all her communications with the SEC. This is via Politico. All her communications with the SEC and Federal Trade Commission in recent months, including those related to the letter that she sent on Monday to SEC Chair Gary Gensler, claiming that the Tesla board has failed to address the potential harms that Musk's controversial role as the head of Twitter has caused for the company. You really think she's concerned? No, she's not concerned. She's being a bully. Now, I don't know what they're going to do if they get access to her information. I don't even know if there's anything in there that would show, impropriety. And normally lawmakers don't really give out their internal conversations or contacts, and it's really something that I don't think that they really ordered that kind of disclosure. But this is different, though. So with the nature of her claim, it might be. Who knows? Now they're trying to. It's in connection. So the subpoena to Warren was issued in connection with the case going on in San Francisco. And that's where you have the DOJ and the FTC. They were trying to enforce these orders, these consent orders. This was like going back to 2011. That was way before Twitter was sold to Musk, relating to the claims about Twitter's privacy protections for its users. And so he had asked a judge last week, and this is via the House Judiciary, to modify or wipe out those consent orders, saying that they have empowered overreach and by the FTC targeting Twitter's new CEO. And he's looking to block the feds from forcing him into a deposition related to the case. Now, they've agreed to hold off until a judge rules on the request. So I think they're going to have a hearing on that in November because it's an old case. But that's interesting. So she's abusing her authority here. And I think it's significant, and I'm sure that the judge would consider this. Wouldn't you think so? That, well, where was your concern for the other companies and the boards of the other companies that he also owns? That to me seems like that would be significant for a judge to include in his ultimate determination.